Tennessee onions are Vidalia onions baked in butter, garlic, and loads of cheese. The onions turn out soft, tender, and cheesy. Let's make it. Slice your onions into 1/4-inch thick slices, and then separate the onion rings and spread on a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Evenly sprinkle on garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. Then slice your butter really thin and then arrange evenly over the onions. Evenly layer cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Bake onions uncovered at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes and then serve. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing, and the onions are going to turn out buttery, cheesy, soft, and tender. Serve these as a vegetable side dish with steak, burgers, grilled chicken, or pork chops. For the full recipe and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.